Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to create subdomain to our domain in Hostinger Hosting. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. On left side you see domain, so click on it and then you see we are in domain portfolio and then you can select domain and then click on manage. So we click on manage button. So we are in domain overview. On left side you see DNS, so click on it and then you see subdomain, so again click on it. No subdomain yet, create a new subdomain in your website dashboard, so click on create subdomain button. Now you see create a new subdomain, so you can add name like Hassan or web task. If you want, you can create separate folder for this subdomain, so click on it. So this subdomain folder create in this path and then click on create. So after that your subdomain will be created. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.